I want to show you one of my favorite puzzles. It's Confusio and it's made by a company called Philos. Let's open the box. Solution to this puzzle is included in the box, and if you're struggling too much to try to disassemble or assemble it again, you can use this instruction, but it's much more fun to try to solve it by yourself. I spend a lot of time trying to disassemble it, and especially a lot of time trying to assemble it again. As you can see, this puzzle is made out of wood, 3 different types of wood, and the goal of it, as I said before, is to take it apart and assemble it again. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching this video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve it by yourself, stop watching now. Let's start. When I bought this puzzle, it was too difficult to find the first piece to disassemble, because it's so well made and so strong and tight that I couldn't move even one part. But after 2 or 3 times disassembling it and assembling again, it's become a little bit easier. So the first move is to take this corner piece and slide it up. That's how you start disassembling it. The next move is to take this part, slide to the left, take it up, and that's it. The third move is more complicated. You have to slide this part to the left and then to take it up. As you can see, it consists of 2 pieces. The next move, move number 4, will be to take this dark part and this part and slide them to the left, like this. Then you have to take them up, and that's it, our move number 4. And we are almost took apart our cube. So now we have to take up and 2 last pieces. That's how you disassemble this puzzle. Assembling part is a little bit more difficult, because now we have to do this backwards, and when you do it first time, I'm not sure if you remember all the steps. I'm not sure if I can do it from the first try right now, but let's try. We have to take these 2 parts. We have to take this now, and we have to pull it down here and slide it there. So the next move, we have to combine these 2 pieces like this. And now you have to put them from the top like this and slide to the right. Okay, now half of our puzzle is assembled. The next move is, I think, the most complicated. You have to take these 2 parts. You have first to put them together in the way like this, and then slide dark part to the end. So, and then you take these 2 pieces, put them from top on our cube, and slide the light piece to the end. That's it. That was the most complicated move in this puzzle. The next move is to take this small piece, put it and slide. And the last one is to put this corner piece back to our cube. As you can see, that's how you taking it apart and assembling it again. I like this puzzle a lot because every time I'm struggling a lot to assemble it. It's not an easy task. If you like my video and you want to see more of my videos, hit like and subscribe buttons, and see you next time.